Okay guys, welcome back to another video with Flash Custom Transfers brought to you by Shredded Content. And in today's video, we're going to show you our little adventure to Aviva in Dallas. It was a great place. I actually like this Aviva wholesale store better than the one here in Houston in our wholesale district. So this right here is Cterwey walking in. As you can see, once you walk in, they have their heat presses right there, like right at the door. We asked the guy first, could we record? He was pretty cool, but you see him looking like, what are they doing? So right here, we are in their generic section. I like the way that this layout is. It's way different. You see they got the Gildan soft style and other, traditional Gildan t-shirts right here. Everything is right there in the front as soon as you walk into the door. But it's a little, whenever you walk into the Aviva here in Houston, everything's to the right, and then the cash register is to the left. This one is set up a little bit different, but they have a lot of stuff here that they don't have at the one here in Houston. Here we go. We are now in the back section, and I kind of like the little access ramp for handicap. That was a really cool ramp to kind of walk up. It just kind of adds some dimension to the whole store. This right here, this is another look at the store. Again, this is in the back of their first section. So these, if you look right there, those pink shirts, I'm actually going to walk down this aisle here. This is their entire performance section. And in this section right here, see performance adult youth, short, long sleeve race backs. They have, this section right here, they have an amazing, I've never seen those polos before. They don't have those at the Aviva. Those long sleeve sport breathable polos, they don't have those at our location here in Houston. So I was really surprised. Look at that. Look at that material. It was super soft, polyester, but breathable. So, and I haven't seen that. I've only seen these in t-shirts and long sleeve t-shirts. I haven't seen them in the polo style. So this is definitely a product I would recommend that they have. I would recommend you getting that they have here at the Dallas Aviva. And again, they have a youth as well. And then this right here, this is their vinyl section. Again, it wasn't too big. Actually felt a little smaller than the vinyl section that we have here in Houston. Obviously, they have their DTF powder. So here's the DTF hot melt powder and other powders that they have right here that you can also use. And again, you can't use the inks in the Mimaki printers, but you can use the powder in the shaker. And then here's some other glitter and different vinyls that they do have, shimmer, soft metallic and stuff like that. They have all the different types of puff vinyl and stuff like that. Then here are the hoodies. Now again, hoodies are pretty much the same everywhere. I've seen these color hoodies everywhere at every Aviva. We are also going to do more features of different stores, of different blank apparel stores, because everyone tells you about what blank apparel to get. As you can see right here, Chelly is also recording for her channel as well. She wanted to get a sweatshirt, a crew neck, but we want to do more videos like this and then rate them. So I will be giving you guys a rating here soon. This right here, this is me doing the thumbnail for the video. It was really cool. Again, we asked them, could we film? There were really nice people. Great, awesome environment. I really like the vibe of this one. Great music and everything. It wasn't as rustle and bustle or hustle and bustle, or whatever you want to say, as the one here in Houston. There was a lot of space. There was a lot of room to move around, and the line wasn't crazy long like it is here in Houston. But the whole Dallas area is a lot different. This right here, this is Chelly taking her thumbnail video, and I want to show you guys the hats here. The hats here are amazing. They actually have the hat, that black in the front and red in the back hat. I had to order that from California when we did our Wing Zone order, and they had it right here in Dallas. So if I had known that, I would have just drove up to Dallas and get it. So overall, right, as we end this video, overall, I would give this location about an 8.5 out of 10. An 8.5 out of 10 as far as having everything that you need. I think it was the way that they had it set up. It wasn't so many people in there. It wasn't crowded. I think we went on like a Thursday or Friday. On top of that, there was a lot of parking, but the hats, those hats, that abundance of hats really surprised me. And also the performance, that was also great as well. So that's going to be it for this video. Stay tuned, subscribe. Bye.